Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be talking about my love at first sight, which made me so crazy that I decided to start my life with this. So my first love, from where I started my business from, yeah, I was talking about that. So here it is. Yes, these are the vintage antique sari borders, you can see. So I was talking about this. What else did you think of? So guys, when I was looking for the opportunities and exploring the markets, so I got through these beautiful vintage antique borders, which actually attracted me so much. And these borders were so unique that I decided on that day that I will start my store with this. Let's begin with what are sari borders. So in India, when saris are designed, the borders are uniquely designed because it gives a different look to the sari. And every sari border represents their state. And they are designed in a width of somewhere around 2 inches to 5 inches. Like if you can see that this border is around 2 2.5 or 3 inches in width, and it has extra fabric in it so that when we are using for our projects or for our dress designing, the margin is there to stitch it on. You can make so many beautiful things from these lovely borders. So it depends on the design of the sari. So maybe the sari has a 1-inch border, maybe the sari has 5-inch border, 6-inch borders. So basically when these saris get old and maybe the fabric is too old, or it has stains, or it has pinholes, and the fabric is of no use, so these borders are cut off from these saris and they are reused in various other ways. So I'll show you how these borders can be used in various different ways. So I'll show you one by one the collection of the borders also. Let's begin. So it's a sari border where you can see the glass beads work, golden zari work, and the contrast royal blue thread work. You can see it's full hand embroidery. Now comes the Lucknowi chikankari work. It's a famous craft work of India. Very beautifully, very intricate embroidery is done. You can see the hand embroidery part from the back side also. So Lucknow craft work, chikankari craft work is very famous here in India and people really likes worldwide. Now comes the other border, which has thread embroidery. It's a full hand embroidery work. You can see the pink and blue contrast thread work with a little of sequins on it. It's on pure georgette fabric. Lovely border. You can see the back side. It's full handcrafted. Now comes the beautiful antique baluchari embroidery. It's a baluchari embroidery, so from the state of West Bengal. So basically the Indian mythology seeds are embroidered in these kind of borders. You can see the figures, so beautiful, in all the golden zari work. So it's a craft work from West Bengal known as Baluchari embroidery. So you can see the figures, the elephant, the people, the kings, and everything. And the back side, it's full hand woven embroidery. So now comes the most famous Banarsi brocade border. So all the golden zari work is done. So you can see that with a little colors added on it. So now you can see, you can make the hairbands from these sari borders. So it really comes out very well. So these are the examples what you can make from these sari borders. So cushions, you can design the cushions with these borders. So see the patchwork done with the borders on the cushion cover. So this is all the scraps of sari borders patched in one cushion. Now this kind of neck design can also be given. Here is the collection of the sari borders. See you soon in the next video, and if you really like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. Bye bye.